Now the game's starting to pick up.
Don't get
that side.
Get in the building. Marshall.
Paulo. Cameraman / Marshall coming through. Look at my setup, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I look super gay. That's because I don't feel like getting shot.
Behind the berm?
Yes.
Left or right?
He was right.
Don't ask me what that was.
Hey, man, in a small building. Guy in the small building. Make some kind of war cry if you're a zombie and just do something like hell shit. I'm talking.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Heroes of Zombie. Yes. He stinks like one, too. Uh-oh, seems like they're attacking the village. We have multiple engagements, ladies and gentlemen. Time to head back to the village. I hate them infantry branches. If you can see over there in the background, ladies and gentlemen, we have a small group of tactical zombies stacked up against the structure. There's Kevin and his kick-ass Romanian AK-47, ladies and gentlemen, and G36KE.
Roger, how you doing?
Gotta move a little bit. I'm a real zombie because I'm immortal. I can't get killed.
Hey, what do we got? Are we free to move around this building?
Yo, get in. Watch the windows, watch the windows, watch the windows.
Watch the time. Hey, let's take this fucker. What? What you got? Hey, just over there, or we got over here?
Hey, guys, prepare to give us covering fire out there. Gray building.
Gray building, cover fire. No.
Motherfucker. Let's move out. Let's go this way.
Little Guinness.
You ready, Dusty?
I got the guy. I got the corner.
Let's get this building over here. Greg, you gonna move this? All right, 1, 2, 3. We're moving.
Go.
He's hit.
Is it clear?
Hey, you're a zombie? Bang, bang. Oh, okay, you're a zombie.
Watch your feet, guys.
Guineas. Baby guineas.
Hey, Matt. Yo. This is clear. All right, watch your feet over here, guys.
Yeah, here it is, a work in progress, ladies and gentlemen. He's building this tower here. We'll be up in short in probably a month or so.
Let's fucking move, alright?
Copy, first night. Let's move the gray building. Copy.
Wait, let me fucking reload.
Load. Admin change.
Okay, fucking, just call
Hey,
me.
Greg.
Hot, fresh.
Move up to the gray building, go. Go. What? You can't wait around the corner like that, bro.
Alright, dude. You got me. You both fucking do it.
Bang, 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 bang. Where the zombies at?
Once you get shot, you're a zombie.
Go to the forest.
Go out to the forest.
Hey, man, coming out!
Fucking stop! Lift my face up! Dead man walking! What the fuck is this going, man?
Top floor. Not through that window. Get over here.
Somebody just set off one of my airsoft.
Get over here.
How'd you get taken out?
Come inside. Coming back.
Airsoft grenade?
Stop. Just give me the back.
That was one of my patented airsoft grenades, ladies and gentlemen. Here is one being lit now. This is an actual test. Pay attention, bro. I don't want you to get shot. Sneak it. Maybe he's gonna... Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen.
Dead man walking.
How many are dead from that grenade?
4.
Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? My grenades work. Woo! 4 dead.
Throw it to the window. Somebody lost a, not that window. Rubber butt, gun butt thing. No, I hit you. Somebody lose one of these.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just got shot. All right, well.